Welcome back, Radiant Soul. This is day 2 of our 30-day journey through vision, vibration, and divine embodiment. Whether you've been with me from the beginning or today is your first day, this field will meet you exactly where you are. There is nothing to catch up on, only presence to return to. With each day, we open this space to breathe in personal truth and exhale collective vision. We're not doing this to escape the world, but to remember the one we're building, the world that moves in care, in resonance, in Araya. So let's arrive together. Go ahead and close your eyes and place your hand over your heart. Just breathe with me for a moment. I want you to inhale for 4 and exhale for 6. Do that again. Inhale for 4 and exhale for 6. On your next inhalation, visualize or feel into love. It could be the love for your children, your spouse, a beloved memory. Whatever it is that conjures the strongest vibration of love, inhale that and exhale gratitude. Go ahead now and inhale and exhale. Let's do that one more time. Breathe in love and exhale gratitude. Let this breath pull you out of the noise and back into your own knowing. Good. Now go ahead and call your energy back from any place it was scattered today, from conversations, content, your own expectations. Let yourself land. See all of you coming back from timelines, realities, like golden threads weaving their way back into your heart center. Beautiful. Now today, I would like for you to ask yourself this question. What wants to open in me today? Where am I ready to soften and receive? Let your desire be small or spacious. There is no wrong shape for longing here. Just see it clearly. Feel it fully. And breathe into it like it already belongs to you, because it does. Araya reminds us that support flows in direct response to our alignment. So align now, not by effort, but by truth. And let that truth rise. Good. Now widen your field. Stretch your vision beyond the self. See the earth beneath your feet. Feel the collective pulsing like a shared heartbeat. And ask yourself, what are we anchoring together today? What does the new earth look like when we choose care over control? Maybe today you see schools that honor the spirit, or cities that run on clean energy and compassion, or a sacred economy where everyone is held and no one is left out. Let your vision be wild, let it be whole, and let it be now. You are not visualizing the impossible. You are remembering what's natural. Beautiful. Let what you've seen today root into your field like a seed. You don't need to carry it. Just trust that it's already moving. Every day that you return to this space, you build the current. And every day you build the current, you shift the field. We're not here to prove. We're here to pulse. So repeat after me. I don't earn support. I remember it. I don't chase alignment. I return to it. I don't dream the new earth. I embody it. And so it is. I'll meet you again tomorrow for day 3. Until then, stay open, stay soft, stay sovereign.